No, this puzzle here.
You're nearly finished.
I just got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Little ones. Ayan. Meron pa isa. What do you think, my love?
Yeah, we can walk to a beautiful place to have my birthday party.
Yeah. Well, I think Dream will be fun because we can all go on the rides.
A big ride. Or do you remember Zero has small rides and big rides?
Yeah, I remember.
Oh, it's too small.
Come on.
Selene! Who's holding you? Nakauwi na si Daddy Mike, guys. Kanina pa kami nakauwi, kaya lang dito kami nagstay sa sasakyan kasi nakatulog man to siya. She's sleeping bit. Tell Daddy you've been really brave today.
Daddy, look at his thing.
Shed needles?
Look.
Yeah, the shed needles?
Paris was like, don't be scared, Celine. Don't be scared.
Dad, look at the nails.
Yeah, I've seen it. Did they say that our kids are beautiful?
Of course, Daddy.
And
May hintay pala ako, guys. So, at 6:30, i-deliver yung aking binili na plant. Indoor plant ba? Dito. Binili ko sa Facebook Marketplace. At dahil wala tayong sasakyan, like, alam nyo yung youth. So, they will deliver it here. Bayad lang ng magkano ba yun? $15 yung bayad. Para i-deliver dito. Come here, anak. Wait, maybe Daddy and Ate Paris is going. Where are you going, Paris, Nicole?
to the bottle.
To the bottle shop? Okay.
Guys, could go buy some alcohol.
Paris is gonna buy some mojito.
Guys, gonna buy a couple of red horses. Come.
San Miglite. San Miglite. Daddy, have a look tayo quickly. What I bought. So, kanina guys, after sa doktor, ay may pinick up ako. Have a look at basket. And then, have a look what's inside that one. See? Some, decors. I'll show them to you one by one later, guys. Pag nakapasok na tayo ng
I
bahay.
leave my bag just there on the nature strip. I was like,
A boom, boom, boom. A boom, boom, boom. Who's that? Sana hindi to siya guys.
Alright, sweetheart, let's go.
Fever. Ayan. Daddy, close the boot, please. Oh, okay. Ate Paris and Daddy going to the shop.
come on.
Diyan lang, guys. Oh, sa end of the road. End of the road. Bye-bye. Sama-sama sana kami, kaya lang baka dumating na yung plant natin. Malapit lang naman, oh. Diyan lang talaga. Ay, biyaan ng bata. Luoy. Luoy. Ayan, guys. Dumating na ang ating plant. Plant. So this is what it looks like. Malaki siya tingnan sa photo, no? Ayan. Kailangan to ng ng aruga. I think because it's starting to patay-patay ang natap. Kailangan yata to ng tawag sa tubig. From IKEA pala to. Kasi panlagay ko sa loob, diba iniwan ko yung atin doon sa Melbourne. It's this one. Kailangan ko siguro itong lagyan ng soil. Kulang yata ng soil ito eh. There you go. I think it's big enough.
A few moments later.
Who's on the floor? Who's on the floor? Nak, get me natin for Celine, please. Hi! Are you on the floor? You on the floor? Tingnan nyo ang ating plant, guys. So, di ba ito yung binili namin na, ano, table lamp or, yeah, it holds the plant as well. I don't know kung siguro ibababa na lang or, okay. O yan din yung, ano, yung basket na pinick up natin kanina. Pinag-isipan ko pa. Maybe siguro sa baba na lang. Wala na yan siya. Nak, now what do you think, Nak? Can you tell Mama? Can you tell Mama what you think? Huh? My break though. Do you wanna play your puzzle?
Yeah, again.
Again. Okay, here. Oh, next to baby Celine.
Okay, I'll just do it right here.
Okay. And then you show me, okay? Do you want me to get the whiteboard?
Huh?
The whiteboard so it's easier for you. Yeah?
Yeah, it's really easy.
Paris is doing her puzzles.
This is coconut one. I just buy this and I got a frozen one.
Oh, yeah?
Yep, I don't know where my frozen one. I think I left it to the other house.
Did you?
Yeah. Cause I forgot.
That's alright. You can just play with your cocomelon one.
This
Celine.
is really babies.
What is it, Nak?
Baby puzzle.
Baby puzzle.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Come on.
No,
Keep doing. Gusto niya talaga ako manood, guys.
no.
Ayaw niya maglaro na hindi ako
I found.
nanonood.
I found it.
Okay.
That goes like.
Ating daliman ka lang dyan, oh. Luto na siya
Mommy.
ng hapunan.
It goes like that. See?
Wow! So good.
I just flip it.
You're so good at these puzzles.
I found.
Be? Show me.
Ah!
Great job.
I got the right place. And now what we have to do next? Oh, the baby. I forgot the baby. The baby.
She's getting there now.
I think it doesn't go there. I think it just... What about it doesn't go there?
Very noisy yan siya mag-puzzles, guys.
No.
May explanation ba?
What was my smell? I think seeing the food is something.
You're nearly there now.
This one? The mommy.
What's going on?
I don't know. So this one is stuffing. But I think something's wrong with this puzzle.
Malapit na.
I'm nearly finished with the baby.
Yes.
Oh, here it is.
Ayaw niya talagang magpatulong, guys. Gusto lang niyang
Mommy.
tinitingnan siya.
Stop
Yes.
talking.
Stop talking. Ay, okay. I'm just telling tita and tito ba. Wow, good job.
No, missing daddy's leg. That's my phone. Yes, this is the one I guess. Yeah.
Who are you doing now?
I'm playing with the puzzle.
No, I mean like who are you doing now? Which one is that?
Mommy.
The mommy.
Yeah.
Well done.
No, this puzzle just goes here.
You're nearly finished.
I just got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Or I think there's another one on that side. Oh look, that side. Yeah.
5. I got 5.
5 puzzles. 5 pieces. We'll see, we'll see.
Yeah.
did the first one I bought. They had a drawer.
La 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 la.
Everyone.
Hello.
How many? 3. Wow, okay. Finishing it now. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop. Uy.
I did it.
Wow.
I got 2 left.
Hello. You should have 3 nak. Oh, you have 3. Uy. Oh. 2 only? I think you're missing 1 piece nak. Yeah, we'll finish that too and see which one is missing. Oh. Good job. Well
I
done.
think something is missing.
Yeah, there's 1 piece missing.
Well, which was the point?
Have a look in the box. No? Oh, maybe you left it in the room. Tignan nyo guys, oh. Galing-galing to yung ating Ate Paris. Yeah, I know. I told you. Boom, boom, boom. We'll change his clothes now. And, boom.
I did it.
Yay! High five. High five.
Mine?
Good job.
I'm really hungry.
Are you?
Yep.
Yeah, we're cooking dinner now.
I want chippies. Let's do it.
Good girl for trying the fried rice before. So good. Boom. Boom.
A few moments later.
It's now 7:20 ng gabi. Ang ating baby girl is the floor. Kunin mo na natin. Come to mama. Come to mama, mama. Come to mama. Whoop, whoop, whoop. We'll go to bed very, very soon. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung na-pick up natin kanina ng mga dekorasyon para sa bahay, guys. So, first thing first ay... Anong tawag ito, guys? Timer? Sun timer? What do you think of that, anak? Second one is this. Pang ano ito siya? Lagyan ng... Ilagay mo yung candle sa dyan sa gitna. And then, kung merong black, meron ding white. That one. And then, the next one is this fake plant. What do you think, honey? Do you like it? And then, this is a very cool one. Ayan. Oh. Usa. Usa, duha, tulo. And then, madami-dami din to siya, oh. And then, another one, fake plant din. Oh, what's this? Tingnan nyo, ball na mabigat siya. So, hindi siya mag-move talaga. Klarong-klaro na pang display. Then, what else? Oh, kandila. In pink na, sudlanan. Pink na sudlanan. Jasmine scented. Ayan. So, maganda to siya dyan sa ating, guys, sa ating lunchroom ba? Little ones. Ayan. Meron pa isa. What do you think, my love? Then, ito talaga yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko doon. Last but not the least. Ting, ting, ting. O, diba? Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Ewan ko kung hayaan ako ni Daddy Mike. Nandiyan ko ito ilagay kasi meron na siyang nakalagay sa center table. But I really like this one. Tingnan niyo, pink yung niya. Pero hindi siya yung pink na yung pink na bright pink ba? Diba? Super nice. And yun na yun siya, guys. Alam niyo ba? Okay, to open it up. It's very hard. You need to cut that one.
We got scissors.
Yan, kadari ko. Wala, nabagbag naman lagi ko. Alam niyo ba, nabili ko to siya sa Facebook Marketplace. Pinik up ko kasi it's only 8 minutes away from here. Yeah, that's a deer, anak. And you won't believe it, I only paid $20 for everything. Kasi sabi niya, display lang talaga to siya sa kanila. And then, ewan ko, may bahay yata na
My carry.
parang ibebenta nila tapos ginamit nila pang display para maganda tingnan ba. So ito
My
lahat
carry.
$20. Oh my god, I'm so happy kasi alam niyo ba kung pupunta ako sa shop, maybe this one is $20 already. So to have everything for $20 is very nice. Happy about that. And you know what? Pick up ko siya sa bahay nila, contactless. So, hindi na kailangan na magkita kami ba. So, iniwan lang niya sa labas ng front door nila. Tapos, iniwan ko lang yung pera. And you know what? Yung bahay nila is sobrang ganda, guys. Parang sobrang laki ng bahay nila. Grabe, bunggang-bungga talaga yung bahay nila. So, no wonder why. For them, maybe this is just nothing, you know? So, $20 is really good for me. Like, so, like, somebody, someone's, ano sabi nila, guys? Someone's trash can be someone's treasure. Oh, diba? So, trash nito sa kanila. Treasure sa akin, diba? Very, very good buy. You just have to be very, ayan, oh, sobrang ganda, oh.
A few moments later.
Katapos na namin mag-dinner, guys. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi nag-transfer ako ng mga videos from the camera to the phone para may ma-edit si mami niyo bukas. Para may ma-upload tayo. And, bukas ako ng pingganan. Oo, ngayon ang ginagawa ko ay ito siya. So, I just got this one. Ito yung ano ba, nilalagay sa, dyan ilagay, oh. Sa mga ganyan, oh. Ilalim para hindi siya mag-slip and also, hindi siya madumihan. Diyan sa ilalim. So, I've done it here. Tingnan nyo. Ganyan ba, oh? Ganyan. So, hindi ma-scratch yung ano sa ilalim. Tulad dito. Ganyan. Sa ilalim mo. Diba? So, baby Celine is sleeping now. Ayan, ng isa ay naglalaro pa. Daddy Mike is there just watching TV. Kaka-shower lang yan. And yeah, we had chicken pala. Hindi ko napakita kanina, guys. Nagluto si Daddy Mike ng chicken gamit yung ating air fryer. We are loving our air fryer at the moment, guys. Sobrang daling magluto ba. Bilis-bilis lang. Super bilis. So, I'll see if I can fit it under there. So, that's done. Ganyan lang, oh. Kasi di ba pag nagluto ka, umiitim yung sa ilalim. So, mas maganda yung ganyan para hindi transfer dito sa kanilang cabinet. Alright, Ate Paris. Would you like a mango na? What's your mango? I'm so happy looking at the plants, guys. No? Nag-message ako sa bestie ko. Sabi ko, what do you think? Kung with or without the stand? And he said like, yeah, with the stand. So that's why nilagay ko dyan with the stand. Actually, hindi talaga yan yung plant na para dyan for me, guys. Para yan siya sa master's bedroom. But for now, since wala pa akong plant para dyan, I'll just keep it there for now. And I'll see if I can do some of this tonight. I don't know, guys. Slowly, slowly. No rush. Mango.
A few moments later.
Yeah, we can walk to a beautiful place to have my birthday party.
Yeah. Well, I think Dream will be fun because we can all go on the rides.
A big ride. Or do you remember the SeaWorld has small rides and big rides?
Yeah, I remember.
Oh, it's too small.
What about now?
Yes, yes. But we can do it for sleep. Oh, 6 sleeps.
23 sleeps.
What?
Mummy, tell Paris if she'd like to go to see. Ask Paris if she'd like to go to Dream World for her birthday.
Dream World. Movie World?
Dream World.
Where's
Well, I
Dream
love-
World? Is that the whole thing?
So many presents.
Of course you do, honey.
But I really want like a unicorn egg. Like another ice cream one.
You want that one?
Yeah, like the one, like the hippo one. The way I have a hippo one.
Yeah.
I really want that egg. Because it's my favorite egg. I don't
How old-
have a husband yet.
How old will you be next month, honey?
4.
4.
My nose, my
Such a
nose,
good
my
girl.
nose so long. My like blah blah la 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 la. Ah!
Were you a good sister to Celine today?
Baby.
Were you a good sister to Celine?
Yep. Look at
Did you tell Celine don't be scared?
I did. Guys, I got a surprise for you. I got a surprise.
Bagong gupit pala yun sa Danimark.
Daddy,
New
close your
haircut.
eyes. I got a surprise for you.
New haircut. Yesterday, did
Oh,
you get a haircut
close,
yesterday, Bob?
close,
Or today?
close your
Yesterday.
eyes.
Yesterday.
Close your eyes. Open.
Oh, thank you.
So
My
what?
letters.
Yeah, close that, huh? But
Sleepy na yan siya.
But you draw
Paris
this
is
one
pang
and
kapaglaro.
I draw this one and Mike draw this one.
Yeah.
So this